So now I'm going to explain about the execution of my project Friends Hub. So I already created a account with the email ID aki@gmail.com. So now I'm going to enter these login credential details and enter to the particular person's Aki's account. Okay. Now after login gets successful, I will reach the newsfeed page. Since Aki doesn't make any friends, he will doesn't view any images of his friends that that posted. Now Aki is going to upload his profile picture. Before uploading the profile picture, he will enter some descriptions about the picture that he is going to upload. Then after he clicking the submit button, then his picture will be uploaded. Then his user credential details will be also entered to a text file, data.txt file. Now after that image will be upload, then the control will be go to the update, go to the profile image upload Java. This is a server page, and here the image will be written to a particular folder in the folder, and then the after return the file, the control will be go from servlet page to the JSP page, and here the image will be written to a particular folder where MATLAB code will reside. Now the MATLAB code will get easily the image. Now we are going to do is image authentication using DWT extraction algorithm. Then we'll perform invisible watermarking. For performing image authorization, it will check whether the image is already watermarked or not. So not watermarked, so image authorization becomes successful. Now we are going to perform the invisible watermarking using DWT embedding algorithm. So for that, the control will be go to update profile, next redirect page. Now the execution becomes successful, and details will be added to post and photo post tables, and watermarked image will be added to his account, and upload become successful. So upload becomes successful, and uploaded image is visible at the profile image page. Now we are going to find new friends page. Here I'm going to make some friends. So for that, type any name over the text field, then search, and I find a friend. Now I am adding him as friend by sending him a friend request. So the decision become pending. Only after he confirm the request we will be friends. Now going to log out, and now I'm going to uh, log in as gino@gmail.com, to whom the Aki has sent the friend request. Now I'm going to accept that friend request. Okay. So this is Gino's newsfeed page, and these are the photos posted by his friends. This image and watermarked images. So here the friend request received section. We'll see the friend request of Aki. So request is confirmed. Now go to the home page. Here could see the Aki's posted image because Gino become his friend, her friend. Now Gino is going to type a message, chat message. in chat message, date of the message and time of the message sent will be displayed with an option to delete if both of the users could do deletion of these chat messages also. Now about profile page, there will be a title cover image and a profile image and some personal information that were uploaded on sign up registration. This is Gino's timeline page and the posted images. Now uh, Gino, the user of FriendsHub user, is trying to like the page of Aki and try to download that particular image. Since this image is protected, it can now directly downloaded by Aki. So he click download button. Now his request will be sent to the Aki. After only the image will be authenticated using DWT extraction algorithm. So performing readability extraction algorithm, the image details will be, we got the image details like this is the real, the Aki is the real owner of that particular image. So in that way, by clicking here, the request will be sent to the Aki. So now I'm going to log in as Aki at gmail.com and password. Login. Now I reached to newsfeed page since Gino become friend to Aki, so she could see the image of Gino, the posted by Gino. So notification section here. This section shows Gino tried to download her picture, so he accepted the request and she sent the photo to Gino. Okay, then she's logging out. Now we will entrust Gino. Okay, password. Logged in. Now I'm going to download section. Here this is the original image that Aki uploaded. So it's downloaded. Now it will be sent to the download section of the desktop laptop. Okay, so this is the image. The image will be in JPG and PNG format. We'll check the details of the image. As it is shown that the image is sent on July 22, 2020, 10:44, and now let's check the time. It's also 10:44 a.m. This is the image that we downloaded. So I'm logged in. Now I'm logging in as Aki, entering password. Now I'm going to show what the system will react when we try to upload a pirated image. Means already watermarked image. If I am trying to upload already watermarked image, then how will system react? That I'm going to show. So for that I'm trying to upload a pirated image. That means the image is already protected, but somehow some other means the image is stolen. The uploaded image of FriendsHub users are stolen, and the Aki is trying to upload the stolen image. Then what will be going to happen? That is I am going to depict here. So I'm uploading that image. Now using DWT extraction function working in the MATLAB will execute the image and it will process the image and will check whether is the image is already watermarked or not. Is any information is embedded in that particular image or not. It will be checked in this time. Here the control from JSP pages transfer to the MATLAB engine. So the information is specified. Unauthorized image not permitted here. Means the system recognizes that I try to upload a pirated image. So this is overall main functions of my project Friends Hub. Now I'm going to depict how I uh, registered in this account as a Friends Hub user. For that, I could enter some basic details. In the registration phase, the system will check whether the user is valid or not by checking his email. Email duplication is also prevented here. So now I am registering an account on name of Achu. And I am filling the details. After submitting button, the system will first check whether the given email address is already an existing email ID in the Friends Hub database. If it is not an existing email ID, then only we check the email authentication by sending OTP to the particular email ID. So here is mistake achu@gmail.com. So click here generate OTP. So OTP will send to the Gmail account. For the convenience, I in output page also I printed the OTP random number. So from there we could easily pick the OTP. So number is 2002. So OTP successful, entered. So sign up become successful. So could log in with the registered email ID @gmail.com and with registered password. Friends Hub also provide an option to edit profile and change password. So he is logging to his newsfeed page. This is the overall working of my project Friends Hub. Thank you.